So guys, are you stuck, really stuck with your code when you submit your code and the person who is review your code will add the comments this code will not pass because it's generated by the AI. So like you are doing the code by ChatGPT and other AI tool, DeepSeek, or there is some new tool introduced nowadays. So when you add the prompt and you can say like basic code when you add and you get the complete code from ChatGPT, it's also change your own code which you already wrote. So then you will paste that code to your any project or something, and when you send it for PR or you can say for review in GitLab, Bitbucket or any tool, and then your reviewer or you can say your team lead or colleague add the comments on that like this code is generated by AI. I will not submit to the branch, master branch. So what you guys can do? Like first of all, you can code by yourself. Okay, let it be because even I am not coding by myself complete code. Okay, so there is a tool AIDP code. Okay, so what you can do with this code? Let's understand. So first, you can go to their official website. Okay, so this is dashboard. I've already logged in. Let's go to website. So you can type aidetector.pro. Okay, so you can see this is AI Detector Pro, and then you can see how this website works. So you can say detect and remove AI fast. Okay, so here you can see like about the description and what they are doing, make AI sound as human. Okay, so there's a lots of services they are providing. Okay, and first trials are free, so you can start with the free, and of course you can create your account by name, email, password, and confirm password. Okay, and this will send a confirm email to your account, and then you can easily start to use this. So I've already logged in. Okay, so here you can see this is dashboard, and we have plans and new AI scan. Okay, this you can use. So I click on new AI scan. Okay, and easily you can paste your self-written code or your prompt generated code. So by that you can easily check how much part is written by AI or can detected by the AI. Okay, so here you can see this class. Okay, this is user service IMPL. So I am pasting the Java code. You can paste any of code you want. Okay, so you can see you can select the language Java, C Sharp, JavaScript, PHP, Python. Almost they cover packages, right, and languages, frameworks and languages. So by just click on submit. Okay, so you can see by very in minimum seconds you can say 1 or 2 because they are submitting the code. Okay, so this is probability of AI you can see 63%. Okay, let's understand this complete. Okay, so you can see this content was mostly written by AI, right? So you can see this code is clear sign of being written by an AI. Okay, this can easily say that. Here you can see this code is appear not to have been written by a human. Okay, so they have provided the medium or you can say level of how it can be written by the AI, which is one is danger. Okay, one is you can say suspicious. Okay, so and rest it's written by a human. Okay, so you can see how much part is written by the AI they detected. Okay, and suppose that this is the AI generated code, and suppose if I paste human written code or something like that. So this is the other class I'm analyzing this. Okay, so this you can say mostly AI. Okay, this this content was mostly written by an AI. So that you can understand in this report you can see it's written by 63% by AI and rest 27%, sorry, 37% is written by the AI. Okay, sorry, by a human. Or here you can see this is mostly written by AI. So how they are detected, you can see like class, draw image, how they provide the variable names, public static void, main, string utilities. Like you can check like even though you can see how just write by yourself and then put this code into this AI, and then you can find this will sharply detect your code it's written by you. Okay, so let's see what this website actually do. The AI detect the code it's written by AI or not. Okay, by AI or a human. So what you can do with this, like how it will help you. Other than this, like you can check this is code written by AI or not. So what you can do, you can click on these three dots and then you can find there's a erase AI tool. Just click on that and then you can find your document which is some written by you, some written by AI or completely maybe completely written by AI. Okay, so here you can see like this is AI detected, and you have options for rescan document for AI, copy doc for clipboard, show top priority edits, basic markup, full markup, right? You can choose the option. And even they have this eraser tool where you can also drag this slider by more human or better writing, right? And then we have suggest paragraph humanization and humanize the document. Okay, by clicking on that you can find your document will convert it and remove the AI, complete code by the AI, and the AI can write the code which is more human for you, because at they will detect and they will maximize the chances this code will written by a human only. Okay, so you can find this in this website, and then you can click on this button and check your code is converted or not. Okay, and let me know guys if you're facing any error, any issue by doing the steps. So guys, how you can create the account? You just need to go aidp.pro, or you can say aidetector.pro, and click on register, and you can fill the basic details: name, email, create your password, and choose the role best fit for you, and other details as well. And they will send the confirmation email to your registered email ID, and then you can use the AI tool and convert your code to AI to human. Okay, and guys, please let me know if you find any difficulty to use this website or create an account and using these tools which I mentioned in this video. And guys, thanks for watching the video, and please like and subscribe the channel.